Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you a package I got, Happy Mail, from Ellie Leva. And it is my Valentine's Day Advent. So let's take a look. Here it is. I'm kind of excited. I am excited. So I have a card. Oh, look at that. It's a beautiful thank you card. And it says, thank you so much for your order. I hope you like your stitch markers. Take care, Ellie. That's lovely. And this is how it is packaged. Here it is. Right there. So let's open it up and get today's. Alright. So, that's day one. So first off, we have this soft heart. And it's soft and it's a tough heart. And it's got these little clips on it. You can see. There's little clips to hold your stitch markers. And then we have day one. Okay, here we go. Da, da, da. Okay. Oh, I like this. So here is day one. It's really, oh, my eyelash. Here's day one. It's really pretty. It is an opening stitch marker. I'm going to open it up. It is a progress keeper. There it is. It opens up. And I'm going to put it right on my ring. So, I'll put it right on there. Here it is. Here's day one. That's awesome. I love it. So, come back tomorrow and I'll show you day two. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.